Select corner elements of a 2D NumPy array. I am trying to extract the 4 corner elements of a NumPy 2D array. The expected output is either 0, 3, 12, 15 or 0, 3, 12, 15, anything goes. True 2D fancy indexing delivers only the ends of the main diagonal. Pseudo 2D fancy indexing, first row-wise, then column-wise, delivers the right answer, but looks awkward. Is there a way to use true fancy indexing, such as data XXX, YYY, where XXX and YYY are lists/arrays/slices, to extract all 4 corners? You can do.
Here are 2 possibilities. Okay, first one isn't actually fancy. More explicitly, the trick is to leverage broadcasting on the indices. NP.9_ knows the details of how to do it.
If you want to support the channel, please consider leaving a shiny